I am utilizing the Bid Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bid Integration Dashboard. Create integration. Search and select Kali Forms. Copy the webhook URL and fetch it. Now go to the Kali Forms dashboard and edit the form. Go to the setting and click on Webhook. Give here a name. Create. Paste the webhook URL in the payload URL. Map the respective fields. Save. Test. Test done. Now go to Bid Integrations dashboard, and here you can see the data is fetched successfully. Set actions. Now here search and select Zoho Sheet. Here, give them a meaningful integration name, select a respective data center. Now for client ID and client secret. Please visit Zoho API Console. Click on Get Start. Choose Server Base Application. Give a name. Copy homepage URL and redirect URI form authorization page. Now click on Create. You can see client ID and client secret. Copy this and paste it on authorization page. Now click on Authorize. Accept. Authorization successfully done. Click Next. Select Workbook. Select Worksheet. Now map the respective fields. Here is the conditional logic. You can use it if you want. If the condition matches, then the data you will send to Zoho Sheet. Then click Next. Finish and go to the Kali Forms and fill in the form. Submit it. Form submitted successfully. Now let's go to the Zoho Sheet. Here is the data that came into Zoho Sheet through the integration. Thanks for watching.